Hello students, today we discuss about the mechanical tissue distribution in the musa leaf. Musa is nothing but the banana plant. So as you know, this banana plant, it is the mesophytic plant. Mesophytic, that means they require the uh, aquatic, or they require the some amount of the water for completed its life cycle. I hope all of you are seeing these banana plants. So this is the diagrammatic representations of the musa leaf. In that, if we observe the cellular diagram of the musa leaf, in that there is the outer layer is the epidermis, which is covered by the cuticle. Then after epidermis there is the subepidermal layer. Then after this subepidermal layer, some sclerenchymatous patches are present mm, above the xylem or above the vascular bundles. So in this figure there are three vascular bundles are present. In that, the at the outer part there is the xylem, and at the inner side there is the phloem, and this vascular bundle is covered by the bundle sheath. In that figure also the palisade parenchyma cells are present, which are interrupted these vascular bundles or sclerenchymatous patches. Then below these vascular bundles, some at the lower sides also there is subepidermal layer, and below this epidermal layer some the lower epidermis is present. On the lower epidermis, some or there is the substomatal chamber, air chambers are also there, and which is this layer is interrupted by these stomatas. Also, in between these vascular bundles, some spongy parenchyma cells are there. So, this is the cellular representations of the musa leaf. In that, different types of cells are observed. So, in case of the mechanical cell distributions in the musa leaf, we have to observe the eye-shaped girdles. So, these eye-shaped girdles that is in plexicon is observed. So this musa leaf is having the uh, vascular bundle. So this vascular bundles is surrounded by these sclerenchymatous. In this section, the prominent sclerenchyma patches are present. So these sclerenchyma patches present on these sides or the either sides of the vascular bundle. Thus, these sclerenchymatous patches forms the flages of the eye-shaped girdles. Flages, that means um, दो sleeping lines है, that is the flages. So the sclerenchymatous patches in the section, they forms the flages, and these standing line of the eye, that is the wave. This wave is formed by the vascular bundles. So in musa leaf, very simpler distribution of the mechanical tissue is observed in the form of eye-shaped girdles, that is the in between the sclerenchymatous patches and the vascular bundles. So in this section, these sclerenchymatous patches which are present already surrounding these vascular bundles, which are forms the flages of these eye-shaped girdles, and the central vascular bundles they form the web of this eye girdle. So in the mosa leaf, these which is having the mesophytic plants, they in case of the inflexicon, these forms the eye girdles in between the sclerenchymatous patches and the vascular bundles. So this is very simple uh, form or simple sectional view of the mosa leaf, in that the eye-shaped girdles the mechanical tissue distribution is observed in the form of eye-shaped girdle, that is in flexicon, in between the sclerenchymatous patches and the vascular bundles. These vascular bundles forms the web, and the sclerenchymatous patches forms the flages. So this is about the mechanical tissue distribution in the mosa or banana leaf.